Good day, student. I'm Madam Samantha, teaching you social science in class 1. Today we are going to learn about transport. Why we use transport, kinds of transport, and how they changed over time. Why we need transport? We need transport to travel from one place to another. We use different kind of transport for traveling. Why do people travel? Traveling today is very different from old time. Travel is the movement of people. We need to travel from one place to another to explore new places, for study, to learn the history and visit different places, to make friends and meet them, for earning money, doing jobs, for picnics or parties, and many more reasons are there for traveling. People travel by car, buses, and through walk. We use different kinds of transport to travel from one place to another. There are three kinds of transport. Aeroplanes fly in the air, boats and ships sail on seas and rivers. All other vehicles move on land. Animals such as camel, horses and donkey are also used for transportation. These animals carry goods and people on farms and in village. These are goods. These all things are called goods. Whatever we use these kind of material in our daily life, these all things to be transported from one place to another. Okay, this is a picture of land transport. We use these transport to travel on land. Road, canals and railway were three major components of transportation. Big buses carry many people at a time. Trains has loud whistles. It carries lots of people and things. When we travel city to city, we use train or big buses. Traveling by water. Traveling by water is the oldest way of traveling. Ships, boats and yachts are mean of it. It is very important mean of transport for carrying goods from one part to another in a country or also in a worldwide. In this picture, this is a picture of a boat and this is a ship. People use boat for traveling and this big cargo ships carry heavy goods. Air traveling. Air is the fastest way of transportation. Air traveling is a form of in the vehicles such as helicopter, airplanes, jet. It is normally fastest, convenient and safe. Air transport take passenger to one country to another country easily and fastest. Okay, here is one activity. Find out the correct transport. We use the word vehicles for those transports which usually have wheels and an engine. Road vehicles include car, buses and truck. Can you tell me which transport used on land? Look at this picture. Which transport is used on land? This bus, truck, car, train, skateboards. Okay. Where we use boat? Boats sail on water. And this is a helicopter and aeroplane are used for air transportation. Okay, how transport changed? Look at this picture. It's starting from here and going downward like this. Go down and down. This is called changeover. In this picture, first humans carry load. Then they used animal for this work. Then the big trawlers are there. Then they move on. Then trains and ships carry cargo for transportation. Okay, how traveling changed? Look at this picture. This graph will show you how traveling changed. First human travel by walk. It's take many days and months to reach from one place to another. Then they use carriages driven by horse. Then long trains for long distance traveling. Then buses take place, and now aeroplanes are the fastest and easy way of traveling. How has transport changed from old to new? Okay. Before we use this steam engines, now we use this electrical train. This is a old kind of car. This is a modern car. This is a bull cart changed into truck. Old and new means of transport. First we use horse cart. Now we use buses for transportation for traveling. This is an old type of aeroplane and this is a new kind of aeroplane. This is an old pick of boat and this is a new pick of boat. Okay, here's one activity. I'm showing you some picture. You have to find out the transport. Names are here. Bicycle, car, motorbike, truck, ship, van, train, plane, ambulance, taxi, helicopter and bus. Okay. Now you will tell which mean is this. Which picture is this? Find out its name from here. And which picture is this? It's a bicycle. What is this? This is a ship. This is an ambulance. It's a helicopter. This is a truck. It's a motor bike. Trains, taxi, vans. Okay. Here is a crossword puzzle. You have to solve by the help of these words. Here is written number 1. And where is number 1 picture? This is number 1 picture. On what is this? This is a bicycle. You have to write bicycle like this. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. Downward. Now crossword. Number 2. Where is number 2? This is number 2. On number 2, this is motorbike. M-O-T-O-R. Motor. B-I-K-E. Bike. On number 4, find out which picture is on number 4. This is number 4. This is a van. V-A-N. Van. Okay, these pictures and number will help you, and names are given here. You can find out with the help of your parents and solve this puzzle. I hope you will enjoy this puzzle a lot. Okay, now home task. What do you understand by the word transport? Transport. A thing used for transporting people or goods is called transport. We use transport for traveling one place to another. Why do we travel? Give any three reasons. There are many reasons for traveling. We have to earn money, so we have to go for work. We go for study and to learn custom and tradition, to visit interesting places, to meet people. These are the reasons for traveling. Name any four old and new means of transport and stick pictures also. Okay, you can do this question by yourself and by the help of your parents. Watch the lesson carefully, you will get the answer from it. Name any three means of transport of sea, land, and animals. Stick pictures also. You can also do this question by yourself with the help of your parents. Okay, note for student. Students, you are requested to do your homework or activity in your social science copy. When you resume your classes, marks will be given on the basis of homework or activity. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you, student. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.